Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already need basic progression, campground unlocked, and a few food items. First, visit the racquetball court and talk to the attendant to trigger new dialogue. Once done, head to the village and check the bulletin board for the Friends Book prompt, then open your inventory to confirm you carry at least 5 items, food speeds interactions. Make sure to speak with 2 townsfolk who mention the book. That initial pair starts the quest chain and unlocks the next location you must visit. You now need to complete mid-chain steps to get the Friends Book. Start by gathering the friendship items, cookies, flowers, and a gift box, because NPCs accept different gifts. Then follow the NPC sequence. Stop at the office, then the park, next the marina, and finally the shop, speaking to each in order to trigger scripted events. While doing this, finish short favors like a delivery, a fetch, and a quick minigame. These concrete actions increase rapport and make the book appear as a reward. To finish, go back to the bulletin board and the NPCs who promised the book. Often the final handoff occurs after you complete every listed favor. Once handed over, check your mailbox and inventory. Friends Book appears as a tangible item you can open. If it doesn't show, make sure you completed every required favor and gifted the correct items. As a troubleshooting tip, reload the immediate area or sleep until the next in-game day to reset NPC states. That usually resolves missing trigger issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.